directors, our principal, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. As you all know, we are gathered here to celebrate Fundamental Rights Day. So today I tell some lines on Fundamental Rights Day. Fundamental rights are the foundation of our democracy and ensure impartiality to every citizen. The fundamental rights are written in Part 4 of our Constitution. If they are justiciable or voluntary, a person can move a court of law for remedy. We have 6 fundamental rights. First, right to equality. According to Article 418, the Constitution has declared that all citizens are equal before the law. No one will be discriminated against on the ground of religion, caste, race, sex, or place of birth. Second, right to freedom. According to Article 19 to 22, all citizens have right to freedom of speech and expression. Assembly peaceful and without arms, or association and union move freely throughout the territories of India. Reside and settle in any part of India. Practice any professions and carry on any occupation, trend or business. Third, right against exploitation. According to Article 22 to 23 to 24, human traffic as well as all forms of forced labor. They also prohibit employing children below the age of 14.
Right to freedom of religious. According to this Article 25 to 28, there is no state religion. All citizens of India have the freedom to practice his religion. Fifth, cultural and educational right. According to the Article 29 to 30 of your Constitution, state that everyone has the right to develop and protect their culture. Right to constitutional remedies. According to the Article 33, it is possible that the government may on certain occasions violate our fundamental rights. The right to constitutional remedies protects the citizen against any such violence.
I am the Constitution of India, which came into effect on 26 January 1950. Do you know about the Constitution of our country? It was drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Committee. You really don't know?
No, we don't have anything.
Really? And then after 75 years, you don't know about the Constitution of our country?
No.
It's very sad. So today I will tell you about Constitution of our country.
Let's on a trip to Nainital.
No, we don't allowed to go anywhere.
Papa, please.
Just go inside.
Okay, Papa. Papa, my friends are going to Goa.
That's great.
I also want to go, Papa.
You can go.
Thank you, Papa. Papa, what is this? This is not fair. He is younger than me, yet you allowed him to go. Well, my mistake, but you didn't allow me.
Listen, he is a boy, so he can go anywhere. You are a girl. No one can take away this right from us. If you don't know how to walk, so why are you on the road?
I know how to walk on the road, but I can't see.
If you can't see, so stay at home.
Being a blind can even I cannot perform on the road.
Right to equality. The Constitution has given all the citizens right to equality. So we must treat everyone equal.
Papa.
Yes, my daughter.
You know, today my college result has been declared. I am very happy. I am passed with distinction. I want to study further.
No. Just go inside and do household chores.
Papa?
No.
Oh, don't I have right to education?
Right to education. The Constitution has given all the citizens right to education. No one can take away this right from us.
Stop.
Why are you stopping me?
You have broken traffic rules.
What we do?
You are not wearing helmets.
My father is minister. Your transfer in 1 minute.
You are wrong. Law is equal for everyone. Right to constitutional remedies. It's very true that law is equal for everyone, where one is rich and one is poor.
Daughter-in-law,
just now.
You can't see my parents asking for tea. I will beat you.
If you behave ragging with me, I complain for you, please.
Right against exploitation. What are you doing? This is wrong. There is potential again. So she is right. And you all can get punished for this.
What are you doing in this pose? I am painting bhajan. No, you don't allow. Just go. What are you doing in the temple? I am offering namaz here. No, you don't allow her. Just go. Why? Why we can't offering namaz here? Our constitution allows us to right to religious and prayers.
Right to religious and prayer. Our country is secular nation where anyone can practice for any religious.
Right to freedom. Right to equality. Right to education.
Right to constitutional remedies. Right against exploitation. Right to religious and prayer. So these are the fundamental rights in our constitution. Thank you.